what's happening right now? Damn it, I messed it up already. All at once! But no.
Strong enough to get him over. Wow. Yep, words.
Lion left. No.
Strong enough to over-energize him and yeah, I don't know any other way to say that last bit.
Damn it. Garbage truck.
Like, ugh. We gotta call the cops. No, that didn't.
Perhaps we can rekindle that spirit in... I had it so damn close. Damn it.
Hey, buddy, it's okay. I'm here to help.
Bones is a big bot. It pulled him. Chromia. Oh, it pulled him.
I'm enthused. This is all your fault. Ooh. You're gonna be okay, buddy. I'm here to help.
Guy.
Oh, wow. What in the fuck is happening?
Yo, there's a pause every time because I cannot wait to say introducing Stasis. Ugh.
Oh, whoa. Ow. Okay. I tried to give myself a bit of pain by actually kind of like lightly punching myself. Well, ow. I actually punched myself in the jaw pretty bad. Ow. Ooh, I feel that. Okay.
Man, I'm so sorry!
Everyone other than...
Man, I'm so sorry!
Did I just make a machine gun noise out of Trigger Happy's voice? I know it was Trigger Happy, but I didn't think it made his own machine gun noises.
No, don't!
Is that what he tells?
No, I didn't like that take. That take sucks!